Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix Apple ID non-payment option is missing. If you're using any iPhone and your non-option or non-payment option is missing in your Apple ID, so let's see how can you easily fix that issue. First of all, you have to make sure that you have a stable internet connection. It might be your Wi-Fi or cellular, and once you have that, you have to try to enable or disable your airplane mode up to 4 or 5 times. It will make a quick refresh into your network settings, and then you have to retry, or if you still have the same issue, open up your settings, go for general, and here you have to make sure that you haven't any software update available, or if you have any update that's like that, you have to try to update your software. Once you have updated it, almost fix your issue, because sometimes it might be that your software is not up to date and you will get these type issues. So you have to try to update your software. Once you have updated your software, you just have to go back and here go for this VPN and device management option. Tap on it, and here you have to make sure that you're not connected to any VPN, or if you are connected, you have to try to disconnect your VPN. Then go to your Apple ID, and here you have to select the media and purchases. Then select your account, and here you have to simply scroll down and look for country or region option. You have to select the country or region perspective in which you're living, and once you have selected, it almost fixes your issue. So you just have to select the country or the region in which you're living, then tap on continue to change your country or region, and once you have changed, your problem will be fixed. So in this way you can easily fix if you're having an issue that your non-payment option is missing. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.